Hey guys, do you want to style your hairstyle like this? Well, today I am going to show you how to style the perfect middle part, also known as the cotton hairstyle. This hairstyle was popular in the 90s with many art celebrities such as Johnny Depp and Leonardo DiCaprio rocking the look. It's a classic style that's making a big comeback in men's fashion. So, why not give this trendy hairstyle a try? So alright everyone, let's dive into the tutorial on middle part hairstyles. First things first, make sure your hair is the right length, around 4 to 6 inches on top and a bit shorter on the sides. Start by washing and towel drying your hair to get rid of any leftover product or dirt. This will give you a clean base. Now, it's time to apply some lightweight product like mousse or styling cream. Rub a small amount between your hands and apply it to your hair. Use a comb to brush all your front hair back. Then make a neat middle part. Just comb straight down from the center of your forehead and let your hair air dry naturally for 20 to 30 minutes if you can. This helps keep your hair healthy and keeps its natural texture. Otherwise, if you are in a hurry, use a hair dryer and a round brush. Blow dry your hair away from your face with the dryer and use the brush to give your hair more volume and shape. Once you have got this shape just right, you can finish off with a bit of hairspray to lock everything in place and add some extra oil. And there you have it, the final look of a stylish middle part cotton hairstyle. Perfect for any occasion, whether you are going out with your friends or on a date with your girlfriend. This style will definitely make people notice you wherever you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in next video. Love you guys.